Hello, this is Eric. Uh, Today I'm trying to display some setups on the DTF machine. Dual XP600 printhead. Okay, that's how to install the film into the machine and the support, the holder. And this is how to install the print heads on the printer. The white in print head is in front. The color head is in the back, on the back. And on the print head board, do you see the H1? H1 means head 1, H2 head 2, and H1 is for the color. Y in head is the head 2. So the cable on the left go to that slot. If you are not sure, then you can see here, left. Left means the cable from the printhead left. Okay, so we stand in front of the machine, so this is the left, this is the right. The cable on the left go all the way to the slot left. And for the printhead cable from the right, this, okay, go up and to this slot to the right. Okay, you have to distinguish the pins. I hope you see the difference. This side with the Texas has the pin go to the slot like that way, and the right cable like this. The same way to install the printhead cables for the Y in head. And this is the nozzle text. Head 1 color, 6 color channels. And this has this button to feed the film. This is the Y head color nozzle, head 2, H2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Then the machine is okay to ready to print. This is the network cable connect to the computer. This. Okay, it uses the network cable to connect to the computer, and this is the control software. You can do clean from the software. This is the capping station to do the auto clean. And this is the heat controller, front heat, this, and the back. After the clean, it will use this wiper to wipe the printhead bottom. Okay. After it finish, starter, idle, then the machine is ready, and you can just do a check. nozzle check. Okay, head 1 and head 2. Because the wire in is very hard to see from here, but you can just move it down. Let it feel some film. Then you can see the nozzle text for the wire in. Okay. And from the software, you can just prepare the print jobs and then just click print. Okay, so all this information can help you figure out some base knowledge for the printer. Thank you.